Hi, my name is Dr. George Xavier Love. I am the director of Love Chinese Medicine and the principal of Blue Dragon Qigong Academy. We would love for you to join our classes at the beach Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30 and Tuesday and Thursday at 8:30 in the morning, and every Wednesday evening at Love Chinese Medicine at Palmetto and Powerline. The purpose for Qigong is very, very simple. It's to move qi and blood through your body. It works on the bones, the muscles, the joints, the internal organs. It works on calming and relaxes the nervous system. It improves sleep, increases energy, and more importantly, it makes you feel good. It increases your longevity. And on top of all that, you get stronger and smarter. But more about that later. Thank you for listening to another minute of the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy.